Another method of saving your files into the OneDrive is to do them directly from the software. So I'm going to launch Microsoft Word and just quickly create a test file that I'll save into my OneDrive space. Okay, so I'm just going to start with a blank document over here, and I'll just say hello world. Okay, and let's save that. We'll go over to our file pull-down menu, and we'll use Save As, which will allow us to designate a location. I see a lot of locations here. I'm going to go as if none of these previous locations existed. So I do want to go to my OneDrive over here in the column. If I wanted to save it on my local computer, I would have chosen this PC. But I'm going to OneDrive. So this shows me what's inside of my OneDrive from the top down. And I can see I have two main folders currently in my OneDrive. So I want to save it in my Comp 1004 folder, which happens to be inside of the spring semester folder. So I click that once, and there's the folder I want to put it in. So I'm going to click that again. And I can actually see the pathway up here of where it's going. So I can see that I've got a folder called Comp 1004 inside of spring semester, inside of my documents on Loyalist College in my OneDrive. Okay, so now I just need to give it a proper name. It's a naming convention. Use your last name. And then underscore first name. Then underscore lesson number. In this case, I'll call it lesson 01A as an example. Okay. Down here it tells you the format. Just leave that as the default Microsoft Word format. And then click Save. And once you're done with that, you can click the X to close Microsoft Word. And to confirm that it's actually in my OneDrive, I'm going to go to my File Explorer and take a quick look. So I'll just need this to load up here. So here's my OneDrive link right here. There's my spring semester, so I'll double click that. There's my Comp 1004 folder, I'll double click that. And there is the file that I just created. So I can also launch it from there by double clicking it. Or I can copy it. I can right click, copy, and do a variety of things again through the right clicks. But in essence, that's how you save your file from Microsoft Word in this case directly to OneDrive. And I recommend this as the method that you use when you create your files. Okay, so I'm just going to close my File Explorer now. And that is how you create files and save them to your OneDrive personal space, which is in the cloud.